Hi guys, it's Tony here from H2E Hydrogen Pods, and on this video I'm going to be sharing with you what type of water do you put in a hydrogen machine and how do you clean it and maintain it. So this is one of the most fundamental important things for maintaining your hydrogen machine, is that you have to put in double distilled water, nothing else. If you use tap water, mineral water, goodness knows what else, it will mess up the machine. Could even damage it for good, and we don't want that. If you put in double distilled water, follow these instructions, your hydrogen machine will last years. So you can buy double distilled water from pharmacists, from Amazon, from online retailers, or you can make it yourself at home. I've got a water distiller here, and all we do is put standard water into the machine, run it through, collect it in a jug. Once it's all gone through, clean the machine out, and then put the water back in again and let the process collect again, and that's double distilled water. You can get deionized water from car shops. It's not quite double distilled. There's still, the parts per million is a little bit too high. Sometimes it's very close, but sometimes I get them deionized water, put it through the distiller once, and then you've got double distilled water. So what does double distilled water really means? It means we're looking for a reading of 000 ppm. ppm stands for parts per million, and you can get a device like this to measure how many parts per million is in the water. So if I turn it on, put it down here, I can see the reading of ppm in the water. Now what you'll find is, even if you buy it from a best supplier and it says it's 0 ppm, when you open the cap, there may be a few particles that get into the water because it's so clean, it's like drawing things in. So there will be a few particles in it. So it may go to anywhere between 0.02 ppm up to like 0.006 ppm. But we try and keep it as close to 0.00, which means there's nothing in it. It's super clean, but a few variants either side is fine. So that's for water, and then all you do is, we've got a cap here, and you simply pour. This jug isn't a really suitable one, get a smaller jug to pour it in, or put a funnel there, and there's a level here, and it shows you how high the water will go, and you just fill it up to the 2000 mark. And what you find is, after about one or 2 weeks of use, that's every day, it may drop down to the 1600 mark, so it will only use like 400 mils in that time. It uses very little water, but you want to keep an eye on it, and yeah, just put the cap on. To clean the machine, it's very simple, and all you do is you pull out this nozzle, take out the cap, take that cap off, and a bit sticky today, yeah, cap off, and then you empty that into a bowl of water and discard that water. Then it's fully emptied. This one's got water in, but anyway, demonstration purpose. And then you refill it with clean water, and you do that roughly every 4 to 5 months. It just maintains the cleaning the machine inside cleaning. There's no brushes, there's nothing that you do apart from that. So you want to keep this as pure and clean as possible, and you do that just by changing the water. And then you can breathe in the hydrogen through the nasal cannula. You can put a tube on it with a diffuser stone to drink hydrogen rich water. But if you do this machine should last you 10 years ish, around 11,000 hours. And that's it. You know, that's your water, that's your distilled water, that's how you clean it and maintain it, and that's all you have to do. So it's really super easy, and this will give your body, you know, some of the best selective antioxidants possible. So it just helps maintain your health and vitality. All right, thanks for listening. Any questions, let me know. Cheers, guys.